Fam, stop blaming others for your problems. I know it's tempting to want to point the finger and blame them for your issues. You got a witness. I know about the blame game. You are better than that. You are above that. Why? Because you are chosen by the Most High. You are chosen by the Most High. Represent for Yah in actions and in words. Yah is the name of the Creator in Hebrew. I'm not saying that they are innocent. I'm not saying that you have reason to be upset. I'm not making excuses for them. No, I'm not. However, you're better than that. You are above that. Why? Because you are chosen by the Most High. That's right, family. Yes, you are. Fam. Many in our community, the Black community, are suffering with a victim mentality. Let me say that again. Many of our people are suffering with a victim mentality. We think it's all right to dwell in the mindset of a victim mentality. Fam, they have taught us to have a victim mentality. Like I said, I'm not making excuses. However, you have a choice. A victim mentality or a kingdom mentality. Yes, I know about our history. I know how we got here. However, we can rise above all obstacles. You can rise above all obstacles. Oh, yes, you can. And yes, you will. You are not a victim. You are chosen by the Most High. You are a chosen child of Yah. You are a peculiar treasure. Family, stop making excuses. Stop blaming others to justify mediocrity. You ain't mediocre. No, you not. You are chosen by the Most High. Let's represent for the Creator. You can and you will rise above the challenges. We have many challenges in America. We have many challenges throughout the diaspora. We have many challenges throughout the world. I'm not making excuses for them. Let's hold each other accountable. Let's not fall victim to their propaganda. They want us to walk around and feel sorry for ourselves. They want us to walk around and embrace and live a fake culture that they gave us through the media. And they have the nerve to call it culture. Family, that garbage that they give us in the media, that's not our culture. Our culture comes from Yah. Our culture is Torah culture. Our culture is holy. And it's not ours by ourselves. It comes from Yah. You are not a victim. You are a chosen child of the Most High. You will conquer all challenges. And we have many challenges throughout the world as black people, as melanated people. We have many challenges. However, that does not give us the excuse, the reason to justify mediocrity. You are not mediocre. You are not average. You are a peculiar treasure. You are a peculiar treasure. You are a peculiar treasure. You will conquer all obstacles like Joseph. Joseph did not have a victim mentality. Oh, no, he didn't. He followed the Most High. Even though he was sold into slavery, family. He was sold into slavery. For our ancestors were sold into slavery. That's why we are here in America, in the Americas, in the diaspora. Joseph was sold into slavery, and he did not have a victim mentality. He did not make excuses to be average. No, he didn't. Yah used Joseph to deliver Egypt from famine. He used Joseph to provide food during a time of famine. The Most High used Queen Esther to save the Yehudim. The Yehudim is Hebrew for the Jews. The Most High used Queen Esther to save the Yehudim from genocide. Guess what, family? She did not make excuses. She was an orphan. Queen Esther was an orphan. Queen Esther was in captivity. However, she followed the Most High, and Yah used Queen Esther to save the Yehudim from genocide. She did not have a victim mentality. Joseph did not have a victim mentality. Queen Esther did not have a victim mentality. You do not have a victim mentality. No more excuses. No more pointing the finger. The more you point the finger at that individual, that group of people, you know what you're doing? You're giving that entity power. We are not going to give them power. No, we not. We are going to glorify the ruler over all rulers. We are going to glorify the king over all kings. Repeat after me. I am chosen by Yah. I am chosen by Yah. I am chosen by Yah. All glory, all praises, all honor to our great King. No more blaming others, family. No more pointing the finger. You are chosen by Yah.